Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. Today we will learn chapter 6, Description Data. In this chapter we have 3 subtopics. The first one is Introduction to Data. The second one is Measures of Location. And the third one, Measures of Dispersion. Okay, let's look at the first subtopic, 6.1, Introduction to Data Description. Statistics is a scientific method of collecting, analyzing, presenting and interpreting data to assist in making decisions. We can use statistics in several fields. For example, in industrial, we can use it as quality control of products. In business, we can use as market survey. Okay, in education, we use it to analyze the students' academic performance. In infrastructure development, town planners want to know local residents' views on traffic problems. Okay, let's look the definition of basic terms. Okay, we have here population, sample, parameter, statistics. Okay, firstly is population. Population is the entire group of individuals in which we are interested but can't usually access directly. Sample. Sample is the part of the population we actually examine and for which we do have data. Okay. You should take note that sample is a subset of population. Next, we have parameter. A parameter is a number describing a characteristic of the population. Statistics. Statistics is a number describing a characteristic of a sample. Next, we move to types of data. The first one is qualitative data. Qualitative data deals with descriptions. It is a data that can be observed but not measured. For example, colors, textures, smells, taste, and etc. Okay, we also have here quantitative data, which deals with numbers. The data can be measured. For example, for quantitative data is length, height, area, volume, weight, time, temperature, and etc. Okay, we have here group data and ungrouped data. Data can be classified as group or ungrouped. Ungrouped data are data that are not organized or it arranged could only be from highest to lowest or lowest to highest. Okay, this is the example of ungrouped data. We also have here group data, which is data that are organized and arranged into different classes or categories. Okay, usually we present the group data in table form. Okay, next we move to stem and leaf diagrams. Okay, the definition of stem and leaf diagrams. Okay, it shows data arranged by place value. Okay, you can use a stem and leaf diagram to show how often data values occur and how they are distributed. The stem and leaf diagram is a special table where each data value is split into stem, the first digits or digits, and a leaf, usually the last digit. For example here, okay, we have two columns. The first column represents stem, The second column represents leaf. Okay, let's look how can we place the number of 32. Okay, number 32 is split into 3. Okay, number 3 in column of stems and number 2 in columns of leaf. Okay, for example, if we have stem 1 and leaf number 5, it means 15. Okay, if stem is number 1 and leaf is 6, it means 16. If stem is 4 and leaf is 1, okay, it means 41. Okay, it represents number 41. The stem and leaf displays allows the shape of distribution of the data to be seen clearly. There are 3 common types of distribution. Okay, the first one is bell shape. The second one is skewed to the right, or we also call it as positive skewed. And the third one is skewed to the left. Okay, also we call it as negative skewed. Okay, let's see the first example. Construct a stem and leaf diagram for the data below. Hence, find mode, median, and range. Okay, so firstly, we construct the stem and leaf diagram. Okay, draw a table, simple table. Our table must have stem on the left hand side and leaf on the right hand side. So next, okay, make sure the given number or we arrange in ascending order. Okay, so here we have number 12. So this is number 1, 2, represent 12. 13 is 1, 3. Okay, 21 is 2, 1. 27, 2, 7. 33. Okay, so 33 we have, then 34, 35, 37, and then 40, 40, 41. Okay, this is our stem and leaf diagram. Okay, next we want to find mode. Okay, what is mode? Mode is the number that occurs the most in the set of data. So from the given from our stem and leaf. Okay, can you identify what is mode? Okay, here we have 40 two times. So mode is number 40. So our mode 40. Then we want to find median. What is median? Median is the middle number of a set of data. So to find median, okay, so identify which one is median. So we just cancel one by one, find the median. So now we have the median is 34. And range. What is range? Range is equal to the largest number minus the smallest number. The largest number is 41 minus the smallest number is 12. So 41 minus 12. So what is the answer? 29, right? Okay, let's try the second example. Complete a stem and leaf plot for the following list of grades on a recent test. Hence, find mode, median, and range. Okay, this is the given series of number. Firstly, we need to arrange in ascending number. Okay, so arrange. So we have here number 42, 67, 73, Then, okay, construct a stem and leaf diagram. So our number here will be 4 on the stem, 2 on the leaf. So it represents 42. Okay, next we have 67, 73, 78, 82, 84, 86, 91, 94, 99. So this is our stem and leaf diagram. Okay, next we want to find mode. Can you identify which one represent mode? Okay, no mode, right? Okay, the answer is no mode. Because okay, all the numbers occurs once. Okay, next find median. What is median? Okay, in this case, okay, we can say last and first. Okay, so here we only have 82 and 84. So to a median will be 82 plus 84 divided by 2. So the answer here is 83. And what is range? Our range, to find range, the highest value minus the smallest value. So 99 minus 42. And please find the answer. Okay, next we move to the second subtopic. Okay, measures of location. Okay, the first one is about ungrouped data. Okay, we want to find mean. We have a formula here to find mean. Okay, formula to find mean is x bar is equal to sum of all data divided by number of data. Okay, summation of x divided by n. Okay, so here we have example A. Okay, we want to find the mean of a set of numbers given. Okay, and then so from here, firstly we need to find the summation of all values. Okay, so 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 4 plus 5 plus 9 plus 7 divided by total number. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So divide by 7. So we will have the answer of mean. For example B, okay, the series of data is given in the form of frequency table. So we want to find the mean of the given set of data. Okay, in this case, okay, number of male children. Okay, this one is represent X, frequency represent F. Okay, if we are given frequency table, okay, to find mean, we have the formula which is summation of fx divided by summation of f. Okay, so to find, firstly we need to find the summation of fx. Okay, summation of fx. So 0 times 2 plus 1 times 5. Okay, plus 3 times 3 plus 4 times 2 plus 5 times 1. Okay, divide by total of f. Okay, so add up all, this is 20. Okay, so we have here 41 over 20, and you can find the final answer by yourself. Okay, next. Median for ungrouped data. The median is the middle value when a set of data is arranged in order of magnitude. Then choose the middle point. For a set of data S1, S2, S3 until Sn, arranged in order of magnitude, there are two cases. Okay, A, when the number of data n is odd, the median is the n plus 1 over 2 observation. Okay, B, when the number of data n is even, the median is the mean of the two middle values. Okay, let's see the example. Find the median for the following sets of data. Okay, firstly, make sure we arrange the given data in ascending order. Okay, so here to find median, in this case we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and is 7. So it is odd numbers. Okay, odd numbers. So to find median, it will be the nth plus 1 over 2 observation. So firstly, okay, we need to arrange the data in ascending numbers. So median is 7 plus 1 over 2 observations. It will be the fourth observation. So just determine from the data, fourth observation is 24. So the answer for median is 24. Okay, for example B, firstly, okay, we need to arrange the given data in ascending orders. So the first data should be 2.71, 3.56, 4.35, 5.48, 6.22, and 8.61. Okay, so from here, how many data we are given? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So n is 6. Okay, it is even number. So to find median, okay, median is equal to the mean of the two middle values. Okay, so mean will be, okay, 4.35 plus 5.48 divided by 2. And you will have your answer here. Okay, next, mode for ungrouped data. The mode of a set of data is the value that occurs most frequently. Okay, example 1, find the mode of the following set of data. Okay, so firstly, make sure you arrange in ascending number and then identify which one is which number occurs most frequently. So from here we know we have 3 times of number 5, so mode will be 5. Okay, for example B, okay, the data given already arranged, so from here we just identify, okay, which number occurs most frequently. Here we can identify, okay, 0.4 we have 3 times, 0.7 also we have 3 times. So in this case, mode are 0.4 and 0.7. Okay, next, quartiles for ungrouped data. Quartiles divide a set of data which are arranged in ascending order into 4 equal parts. To find quartile QK, okay, firstly we need to find the value of R. R is equal to K times N over 4, where N is number of observations, K is quartile for QK, and if we have the value of R is an integer, okay, so quartile QK is equal to 1 over 2 times in bracket the R observation plus R plus 1 observation. If the value of R is not an integer, Then all we need to do is just round up to the next integer. Okay, take note here. Okay, Q2 also called median. To find the interquartile range, it is equal to Q3 minus Q1. Okay, let's see the first example. Find the median, first quartile Q1 and the third quartile Q3 for the following sets of data. Okay, A, we are given the set of data 21, 24, 17, 28, 20, 36, 20 and 32. Okay, firstly, all we need to do is we need to arrange the given data in ascending orders. Okay. Next, we want to find median. Median is Q2. Okay. Firstly, we need to find what is R, which observation. Okay. So R is equal to K times N over 2. So from here, we are given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. N is equal to 7. Okay. So just substitute. K is 2 because we want to find median. So 2 times 7 over 4 is 3.5. Okay, this is not an integer. Okay, so if we have not an integer, all we need to do is just round off to the next integer. So the Q2 should be the fourth observation. So fourth observation is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so the answer for median is 24. Okay, next we want to find the first quartile. First quartile is Q1. Okay, Q1 means K is equal to 1. And we already know we are given N is equal to 7 because there are 7 data. So, find the value of R. So, we have here 1 times 7 divided by 4 is 1.75. Okay, this is not an integer. So, all we need to do is round off to the next integer. So, our Q1 will be the second observation. Second observation here is number 20. So, the answer for Q1 is 20. Okay, to find the third quartile, K is equal to 3. So, as usual, we need to find the value of R. R is equal to K times N over 4. So, 3 times 7 over 4 is 5.25. Also, here we have not an integer. So, just round off 5.25 to the next integer. So, Q3 should be the sixth observation. The sixth observation is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, the answer should be 32. Okay, for the second example, okay, we need to arrange the given data in ascending order first. Okay, so we have here 2.7, 3.5, 4.3, 5.4, 6.2, 7.6, 8.6, 9.9. Okay, so from here just identify how many data are given. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so we are given N is equal to 8. Okay, next we want to find median. Median is Q2. Okay, so K is equal to 2. Okay, firstly we need to find what is R. R is equal to K times N over 4. So substitute, we have here 2 times 8 divided by 4. So the answer here is 4. Okay, 4 is integer. Okay, if we have the value of our integer, all we need to do is to find median. Okay, median Q2 okay, is equal to 1 over 2 times the fourth observation plus fifth observation. Okay, which one is the first observation? The first observation is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.5, and the sixth and the fifth observation is 6.2. So here it will be 1 over 2 times 5.4 plus 6.2. Okay, and we have the answer is 5.8. Okay, next we want to find first quartile. Okay, first quartile Q1. Okay, therefore value of K is 1. Okay, as usual, we need to identify which observation do we is represent the first quartile. So find out R is equal to K times N over 4. So this one will be 1 times 8 over 4 and it is equal to 2. This is integer. Okay, so if we have the integer, so Q1 will be 1 over 2 times the second observation plus the third observation. Okay, so identify which one is our second observation. Okay, from the given data, second observation is number 3.5 and 4.3 represent the third observation. So here it will be 1 over 2 times 3.5 plus 4.3. Okay, and we will have the answer here. Okay, please find by yourself. Okay, next let's find the third quartile. Third quartile represent the Q3, means K is equal to 3. So find the value of R first. Okay, so it will be here 3 times 8 over 4. So this is equal to 6. Okay, this is an integer. Okay, if we have the value of R integer, all we need to do is, okay, just use the formula 1 over 2 times the R observation plus the R plus 1 observation. So just identify which number represent the sixth integer, the sixth observation, and which number represent the seventh observation. So here we have 1 over 2 times, okay, 6 observation, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.6. So the seventh observation is 8.6. So our answer will be